Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. So today's video is about how we can download Tinder app on our phone. So let's begin, but firstly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you won't be missing any upcoming updates in the future. Now let's get started, and in order to download Tinder app on our phone, we'll firstly have to open the app Play Store. You can download many of the apps from here as well. So let's simply click on the search icon first and search for Tinder over here. And as you can see, this is the app which you are looking for, and you can find a match over here or someone you would like to be in relationship with, and you can click on the install button. And as you can see, the app is being downloaded. You'll need a few seconds for it to be downloaded, so let's wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the app has been downloaded. You can open the app from here, or you can also open the app from the home page. So this is the app, and app has been downloaded to your phone. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel, and let's see you on the next video.